Hi everyone, happy Friday. I am Kathy O'Connell at Radiant Abilities, and if you have never seen me before, what I do is I help people with disabilities grow self-esteem and confidence, specifically for dating and having healthy, happy relationships. And I want to talk about what I do because frequently I get asked, can you help me get a girlfriend? Can you help me find a partner? And my answer is always no. That's not what I do. I don't match people. I'm not a dating service in the way you think of online dating. What I do is I help people with disabilities who have probably faced challenges in dating and putting yourself out there, being on the dating scene, and they help you discover in yourself why you're a great match for someone and how to communicate that, how to convey that, how to look for the right relationship for you. And one of the ways I do that, and this is where I begin with everyone I work with, is I work with you on what you're believing about yourself in terms of being a potential partner for someone, because I see a lot of people struggling with this. They think, I want a date, but then their next thought is, but why won't people date me? And then they begin listening A, B, C about why people won't date them. Well, if you're thinking all the time about why someone won't date you, I don't think you're going to go on a lot of dates. I help people with their mindset around, okay, it can be hard. That's a reality. It can be hard to date with a disability because still in 2021 we have a lot of attitudes, a lot of prejudices about people dating and being seen as sexual beings if you have a body and mind that look differently. So what I always tell people to do, if you're thinking about dating and you have a disability or any other significant difference, is you gotta begin with, what are you thinking about yourself, your potential, what you bring to the world, what you can offer to a relationship? Are you thinking positive thoughts that are going to nurture your self-esteem, help you grow more confidence, specifically for dating, because let's face it, dating is probably one of the most vulnerable things that we do. So what can you do? What can you look at within yourself to identify your values, your qualities, all the things about you that are attractive and appealing. And that's how you begin to build your positive beliefs about yourself. I do have examples. If you read what I will put into the symbols, I'll give you some examples that might be helpful. I would really encourage you, though, to only use them as a guide and try to come up with the words that feel comfortable for you in talking positively about yourself. I have an announcement. I do have a June 15th online training in the 4 steps of successfully dating with a disability. It's an 1.5 hour long training, and then I take questions and answers for however long. And what I do with all my trainings is, if you sign up for one of my trainings, you also get a resource guide. So this is something I give you the download, and it goes through for you everything I teach in the training, and then how to apply it to your life. So, for example, for this training, we'll go over how to write a really good profile and how to communicate about your disability. So then the guidebook helps you specifically to go through what you need to do to help write a good profile and to get the language down for communicating to potential dates about your disability. So if that's something of interest to you, the link is in the profile about the workshop, and I would love to have you join me. Thanks so much for those who tune in. I really appreciate it, and I've been tending to show up on Fridays, so I will see you next Friday. Take care.